What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. This is the iPhone 13 mini and it's been out since 2021, and I want to share with you guys my thoughts about this device 2 years later. So let's start off with its design. I absolutely love this design. I'm actually going to take off this case right here. This is from Pitaka. They make some really nice and minimal cases. Let's put this aside right here. I love this design. I really do love it, but I more so love the form factor, the mini size. It's a mini iPhone with powerful specs like its older brother, the iPhone 13. And what I also do like about, since it's a smaller iPhone, it's easier to carry in the pocket. It's not a larger like 14 Pro Max. It's not like super large. You're not really missing out too much other than its display size. That's really it. Like spec wise, it still packs a punch with the A15 Bionic chipset. Main difference here with the 12 mini to the 13 mini is just upgraded cameras. Well, at least in design wise, they're now diagonal rather than stacked on top of each other, and that's the main physical design difference that you can tell. And also just the color hues with the 13 mini, they're just a little bit different than the 12 mini. Like this 13 mini in blue is like a lighter shade of blue. I personally like my 12 mini more than the 13 mini's blue color, but still it's a really nice, really one-handed use and going extinct iPhone model. And I really hope one can dream that the iPhone mini lineup continues sometime in the future, whether that be through the SE lineup or whether Apple brings it back some way, shape, or form. Please bring back the mini iPhone. I know it didn't sell well, but according to a lot of news outlets, the 14 Plus isn't selling well either, so I don't think we need a Plus variant of the original, like the regular iPhone model. But I don't know. I really want a mini lineup to continue in some way, shape, or form with the iPhone. Now the 13 mini, these cameras perform like a champ, and they perform so well that I use the 13 mini for recording videos, for recording A-roll, for taking photos, for making TikTok videos. And I actually just passed 20,000 followers on TikTok. I'll be leaving a link to that in the description down below. And that's where I just share some of my other thoughts about devices that don't really make it to the channel. Software performance is also on point. Like I said, A15 Bionic, it is not a slouch, and I've used the iPad mini 6, which also has the same chipset, and it is just great. So if you're worried about software issues or performance, you don't need to be. Not with the 13 mini. Apple doesn't cut back. Just because it's a smaller phone doesn't mean you're getting less power. Now, the main thing here with the 13 mini is because it's a smaller device, it's going to come with a smaller battery. Granted, it comes with a little bit larger battery capacity than the 12 mini, and that does equate to a little bit of better battery life, as well as with the optimization of the A15 Bionic chipset. And I loved my 12 mini, but the battery was just not the greatest. This is definitely better, but it still struggles to keep up, especially me being a heavy user. It just doesn't last me the entire day, but I still carry it. Like I still love to carry it, and I don't mind charging it because I already know that sacrifice. I love the form factor, but I know I'm gonna have to charge it. That's okay for me. I don't really mind. It does charge up pretty quickly too. Now for light users, you'll probably need to charge this at least once a day. Like a normal smartphone, if it was a larger device with a larger battery and you're a light user, then you probably wouldn't need to charge it every single day. But for this, you do have to. Other than really the battery life, I think this phone is a champ. And yeah, one can dream of like 120 hertz Pro Motion display, like pro cameras and a better battery life, but I don't think we'll be getting that at least anytime soon. Maybe like way down the line, who knows. That's my thoughts about this device 2 years later. And I want to answer the question, should you pick up the iPhone 13 mini 2 years later in 2023, especially now that we're in iPhone season. iPhone 15 at the time of this recording is right around the corner. I would say yes and no. Yes, if you're looking for a mini iPhone device, and also yes, if you just want to hold on to Apple's last mini iPhone product, because we don't even know if they're going to keep selling the 13 mini once the 15 comes out. If you do watch this, once the 15 comes out, let me know in the comments down below if they're still selling this. But I'd say no if you don't want a mini device and battery is a concern for you. Having good battery life is a priority for you, then skip out on this. Other than that, form factor is great. Just everything. Like, this is, if I was not reviewing tech, this would be my ideal smartphone. Well, let's put it this way. This would be my ideal iPhone because I still would probably end up using two devices, one Android device and one iOS device. But this would be my ideal iPhone and I wouldn't look back. I really do appreciate the iPhone 13 mini. I appreciate the fact that this compact smartphone packs a punch. Please, more companies out there, if you ever do come across this video, please make more compact smartphones that are powerful. Make this phone thicker. I don't know. Do something about it. Make it powerful and make it compact. That's really all I would like to see. But yeah, that's iPhone 13 mini from me 2 years later. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot. It will help push my content out to more people. And also be sure to check out my latest wallpaper pack. It is called Jello. Leaving links in the description down below, as well as my merchandise. It is on my YouTube channel page. I got desk mats, I got pillows, I got sweaters, sweatshirts, t-shirts, you name it, we got it. So yeah, iPhone 13 mini, a compact iPhone that's going extinct. See you guys in the next episode.